Beautiful people of planet Earth, we have a brand new, great clutch car mount for you to check out. But if you're someone who creates content, it's not just something that will mount to your car. It does a great job for that. I'm going to show some instances of where we use it, including on your car. But it can be used in various different places. I'm going to show you the product. We're going to show some shots of me, out in the wild and using it in various situations. You can mount it on to any clean, flat surface, whether it's a car window, your mirror in the bathroom, you're at the gym, you want to do something and film something with your phone. This is a great gadget to have in your possession. You want to keep this clean, the suction cup fairly clean. You can just rinse it with water and dry it off, and then it's fine, and it'll still have that suction and stickiness. But I'm going to show you over here on the side of my desk, because this is a clean flat surface. You basically put it down where you want it, and then you twist it to the right, and it clamps down onto that surface. I mean, I could lift this entire desk with the amount of power that has. And then you take your phone, and this will work with MagSafe phones, and you just mount it there, and bam, it's on there. You want to move it this way, you can move it that way. There's all kinds of ways that you could utilize this as well. If you don't have a MagSafe phone, they will give you a magnetic ring that you can attach to the bottom of your phone if it's not MagSafe. This one is MagSafe, so it attaches automatically really easily, and it's just, as you can see on the screen, we're using it in various places. Now that's clamped on there really tightly, in order to get it up and out, you want to twist it back, and that removes the suction. And then it's got this little tab that I like to just kind of grab and peel off, and there you go. I like to leave this on here because I use it in various places, and this keeps it from getting dirty, and I don't have to clean it as much. This is a great phone mount from Car Mount. They have some examples of how you could use this out in the wild, of course, for your phone, but I like this one. I like this example here for traveling. You don't have to worry about putting it on your tray table and bending it over. You can put it right on that window of the plane and mount it to the window. I thought that was a cool thing, so I'm going to try that. And you can see various places. I use it on the back of my laptop if you want another screen, or maybe if you want it as a camera, if you use your phone as a camera, at the gym, on your mirror, if you're applying makeup, in the kitchen. This is just really super versatile. This is a great clutch phone mount from our friends at Car Mount. It's not just for the car, folks, and then you can fold it up, and it's basically the size of a small camera lens, and then you can just throw it in your bag and take it with you wherever you go. There you go, folks. I hope this video helps you.